So welcome to a new video about the Black Cat Roundabout and the works that's going on here. So we've just come along the road from Bedford. Nothing much has changed there. It's still the same bridge in place. It looks like there's a road closure coming up which will put in place the bridge beams, but as of now there's nothing really happened there, so we're not going to concentrate on that side today. I'll link in the other video into this one. Over on this side of the Black Cat, you can see we've got a new bridge appearing here. So you can see the bridge starting to take shape there. Didn't come this far onto this side the last time I was here. So there is a bridge appearing there, and also as we come up high, you can see the works on the other side. No cranes in operation, so we can have a fly around, have a look. So National Highways have published that there's a new bridge with beams in, so we're going to drive and try and find that. Add that in. Just show the site. You can see the traffic on the A1. Yeah, it shows the work that's going on there. It looks like we're not going to have a fun journey into St Neots because the motorway does not appear to be moving much. See the works on the far side where this used to be where the petrol station was and the travel lodge. The traffic really building up now on the A1. There's that road to Bedford. Lots of standing water still on it. As we come round, you can see the Black Cat roundabout full of traffic. As we come round, you see the site on the other side. See if I can see any sign of any more work happening down here. Lots of flooded areas still from a few weeks ago. But no sign here of the bridge, so we'll jump back in the car and have a look. See what can be seen. This is all flooded as it's meant to. A lot of water here still. Yeah, we'll jump back in the car there and we'll get some more footage elsewhere. So on the other side now of the 428, heading between St Neots and Cambridge, and Highways Agency have just published a picture of the new bridge that's here. So we've come across, you see it there, spanning this river. Come across just to get a bit of footage of it, see what they've actually done here. That's one of the first bridges in place, I believe. You see the bridge there in place. Starting to get rather windy. Hoping to get one more video in today. The access road. Yeah, that's the 5 beams that they've published on Facebook and Twitter. That brings an end to the update on the 428 Black Cat works. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please do like, comment, subscribe if you have. And we'll be keeping an eye on these over the next, well, until 2027 apparently. It's a massive project. So it's going to be going quite. You can always see here there's going to be a new roundabout. Assume the 428 is going to be. Just driving along the 428 and spotted another bridge under construction here. So just stopped to grab a bit of footage. Yeah, lots being built here for this construction project. Lots of it going on out of sight from the road. That's why it's such a big, long project and why it's going to take so long. Bigger than the other bridge. This just sits off the 428. See the actual current road.